Hi, Sneezy. What did you want to call that one? Quirk?
Mm-hmm.
I still give him goofy names. Quirk, Widget,
Spork.
Grasshopper.
There's Spork.
Spork? Why Spork? Sweetie, don't let him talk to you like that. Don't let him talk to you like that. Yeah. Oh, he's climbed onto the chair. Look at him go. Oh, don't give up. You're so close. No! You can do it. Wait, what's going on? Missy! You're supposed to put him back in the box. Yes, you are. You, I am talking to you. You, I'm a kitty. You, put him in box. You, in box. Don't look at me like that. You're their mother. Discipline. What? This is outrageous. Oh, so that's good too.
That's her MO.
Now the ones that can make it out of the box and onto the seat of the chair will get fed.
Yeah.
This is a test. Hey, little one. Hey, little one. They're so cute. Wobbly. With watery legs. Mom! Ow! Cleanliness is close to godliness.